Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today we're diving into a true automotive legend brought into the modern era, the 2025 Citroën DS20. Known for its groundbreaking design and smooth ride, this updated DS20 keeps the charm of its classic roots while introducing contemporary tech and efficiency. The 2025 DS20 retains the original DS's distinct timeless design while incorporating modern updates. Its sleek, aerodynamic body and iconic floating roof capture the essence of the classic, with a hint of contemporary refinement. Citroën has added LED lights with signature DRL patterns, making the DS20 instantly recognizable day or night. The chrome accents around the windows and grille provide a luxurious touch, and the curved, low-profile design enhances its elegant yet futuristic look. Under the hood, Citroën offers a 1.6L turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking a more eco-friendly option, Citroën has also introduced a hybrid variant that combines fuel economy with performance, appealing to modern drivers who want sustainability without compromising power. The electric assistance enhances low-end torque, ensuring a smooth acceleration and refined driving experience, particularly in city driving. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the DS20 offers responsive shifting, making it a joy to drive on both highways and urban roads. Inside, the DS20 is as luxurious as it is innovative. Citroën has chosen high-quality materials, combining leather, wood, and soft-touch surfaces that give the cabin an upscale feel. The spacious interior offers comfortable seating with enhanced lumbar support, and the layout is thoughtfully designed to provide both elegance and functionality. The dashboard features offering intuitive controls, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and even voice activation. Safety has also been a priority in the 2025 DS20, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These assistive technologies ensure a secure and confident ride, making it perfect for both leisurely drives and daily commutes. The 2025 Citroën DS20 brings together timeless style, refined performance, and cutting-edge tech, staying true to the spirit of its iconic predecessor while meeting modern demands. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Autoverse. We'll see you in the next video.